Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. First, open your Shopify app on the left side of the screen. Navigate to the settings over here. Then head over to domains. Then on the top part, you can see the connect existing domain right here. Click on that. Here you can type or paste your domain that you want to connect. In our case, we will be connecting GoDaddy. So let's head over to the GoDaddy account, then go to domains over here. In this case, I already have one, so I'm going to use this one. Just copy this one, then paste it to your Shopify domain text box right here. Don't forget to include www in the beginning before pasting your domain. Then hit next, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.